These Maple Pecan Twists won a blue ribbon at the Michigan State Fair. They take a hot oven too, like 400 degrees. Oh, 400 degrees is okay. Fine, not 600 degrees. 1,000 degrees. That no good, Looney. Ladies permit.
She just loves this driving.
Ever since she got her permit. Chop up 1 1/3 cups of pecans. Can you twist and chop? We should make up a new dance move. Call it the twist and chop.
I can't do that.
Let us know if you can do the twist and chop in your kitchen. Big Val's having a time there. Then add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix this together and set it aside. Ooh, ah, yay! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes. In another bowl, add 2 3/4 cup flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt too. Whisk that all together and cut in half a cup of butter. Cube your butter into little pieces. We're using a pastry cutter, but you can also use a food processor. And cut it until it looks something like Parmesan cheese. You know, the kind that you put on your spaghetti. And in another bowl, mix 1 cup of sour cream and a 1/4 cup of milk and an egg. Combine it into the flour mixture until it forms dough. It'll be a little sticky. Matter of fact, it'll probably be a little sticky. Fold it over onto itself a few times and roll it out to a 15-inch by 12-inch rectangle. And it's okay if your rectangle's not perfect. Our friends love these. Spread the pecan filling over half and fold over the dough. We used our mat to help us here. And slice them into 1-inch strips. Our mat has inches marked on the edge, and our bench scraper is a great guide for our pizza cutter. Twist them 3 times and put them on a lightly greased cookie sheet and bake 10 to 12 minutes. Drizzle a sweet glaze over top. We mixed 1 cup of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and 3 teaspoons, sometimes you need 4, of milk. Wow, what a ride! Big Val forgot to turn on our mic. Leave a comment. Share it on Facebook too.